drag here to select the white color here. Just select whatever the color you want. You can copy the hexadecimal code and you can paste it. Refresh. Like. So text colors, if we want to apply BG color, background color. Text color, if you want to apply text property. And you can see BG color at the same time center. Some tags, some attributes, they are displayed in red color. Some tags and attributes, they are displayed in red color. What is the meaning of it? Means it represents that these colors, they are deprecated. Deprecated in the sense they are outdated. Means maybe in the future versions of HTML, they are not available. So that's why what we can do means better you can go for CSS to use those properties. Instead of HTML, you can use CSS to apply those properties. Just I will show you. See here. Just I am moving the mouse pointer on BG color. It is showing the help. BG color, it applies background color for the document. It is non-conforming. Maybe some browsers may not support. So better you can use CSS property background color. But when we go to CSS, we can see there. But this is the way how we can work. Suppose instead of background color, I want to have some background image. I want to have an image as background. Already in my folder, I have copied some images, right? So what I will do, I will select some image like 2.jpg. That image should be available, 2.jpg. When I refresh, the image will appear like this. If we want to have an image, when we click on it, we can have the image displayed like this. So this is what exactly. These are exactly we can give the things. The colors, whatever they are. So we can write like text color, background image, whatever you want, you can write there like this. HTMLcolorcodes.com. When we visit this website, we can see what are the various colors we can apply onto the page. Okay. Now let's see some more implementations. Whenever you are creating any document, or whenever you are creating any web page, while writing the content, we will try to apply headings. We'll try to apply headings for it. Headings, paragraphs, that document may contain headings, paragraphs like that. Now, let's see how to display headings on a web page and how to create paragraphs. How to display headings and paragraphs. Now see here. First, let's see headings in HTML. To display any heading in HTML, they have provided 6 different tags for us, H1 to H6. Each tag will display a heading with a different size. Each tag, it will display a heading with a different size. 6 tags they have provided. Like how these headings are displayed. The format of the tags will be like this. First, we'll write the heading tag name. Heading tags, they have a property attribute called align. If we don't specify any alignment, by default, the text is aligned left. By default, the text is aligned left. If required, you can align right, you can align center, like anything you can do. Now you can see you have three options available for alignment. And remember one thing. Whenever I'm not using any option, suppose if I don't use the align property. So the first value will be the default one. When I'm giving a list of values like this, the first value, it is always the default one. And whatever the text you want to display as a heading, you can write that text there. And we can close the tag. We can write the text there. We can close the tag. Let's see. Here I will try to create one more page here. Headings.html. Headings.html. Just I will keep a comment. If you want to create a comment, the shortcut is Control/. This is the shortcut for creating a comment. I'll say Control/. Okay, just I will write inside headings and paragraphs in HTML. Headings and paragraphs in HTML. Okay, first we have to write the HTML tag, then the header tag, title, some title I will write, body tag here. First I'll take the tag called H1. This is heading 1. Like this I'll write. This heading 1. Like this we have 6 different headings right there. So I will take H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different tags. Now I will open this page because it's a new file. Just to go to your folder, headings and paragraphs in HTML. You can see 6 different headings, 6 different sizes. H1 will display the text with the biggest size. H6 with the smallest size. And every heading by default it is aligned left. And whether I write or not, for every heading, the default alignment will be left. If required, I can use center. I can use right. Whatever you want, you can do there. You can place it left or center or right. Any heading. Suppose for H4, I want to make it align right. That's it. So this is how we can display headings. Okay. Now suppose I want to create a paragraph. Paragraphs in HTML. Yesterday's class I told you what is a tag that represents a paragraph? Which tag we will use? Hmm? Which one? Yesterday we have written, right? Paragraph. P. P stands for paragraph. Yesterday we discussed P stands for paragraph. How to create a paragraph? The format is P is the tag name where we can write. It is also having a property. If we don't specify anything, the default alignment is left. Otherwise, we can say right. Otherwise, we can say center, justify. So what text you want to have as a paragraph? Just we can write the text. Just to close the tag there. Let's see. So here, I want to create a paragraph. So paragraph means I have to write a big paragraph. It will take time. So I need a dummy paragraph here. So simple. See here, what you can do is just type the text called lorem. Enter. Type lorem and enter. It will show some dummy text for you. When you refresh the page, a dummy paragraph with around 30 words it will create. With around 30 words it will create. Suppose if we want to create with some 100 words, just type lorem 100. Enter. And with 100 words, it will create a paragraph for us. Some dummy paragraph. Any number of words. Suppose I say lorem like 150 or 200. It will create. So this is what the paragraph it has created. And hey, if you have idea of MS Word, we have alignments there. So if we don't specify anything, the default alignment is left. Left alignment ante, see here. The text is placed exactly in the left margin, fixed. But right side you will see a lot of spaces. And it was not arranged properly towards right. But left side exactly fit to the margin. Instead of left, if I use right, and you have to change the values and observe what is happening. Right side it is aligned neatly, but left side you can see that spaces. Suppose if I go for center, that's how it will show. Center means that's how it will show here like this. That's how it will show like this. But generally, whenever you are creating any document, like your project record, project report or something, then what you can do, project report or project document, what we can do. So to display the data neatly, what we will do, we will use a property called justify. Now let's see what happens. See there, the text is adjusted like that. It is fixed exactly towards left and right margins. And by adding some extra spaces in between, it will arrange the text like that. It will arrange the text like that. The text will be fitted exactly towards the left and right margins. neatly it is presented. That is what exactly the justification we call it. Justify alignment, we call it like this. That's what. So don't use any whiteboard, ma. This is not for gaming purpose. You are in class, right? Why these unnecessary things? Just a second. That's justify means the text is displayed neatly at the borders. So if we want to create any paragraphs, if we want to create any text, we can write like. Of course, I'm not going to add all the things. Lorem 200. Something. How many words you want, you can select. Once you press the enter key, automatically it will be done. That's it. So these are we can create headings and paragraphs in HTML. Most of the cases, now when you see you are preparing your resume, you are preparing your project document. While preparing any resume or project document, so what you have to do, is like you have to apply formatting for the text. Whatever the text you are using, you need to apply formatting for the text. We need to apply formatting for the text. Text formatting means what? Bold, italic, underline, bold, italic, underline. So like that, the text we can arrange it in the required style. So how to apply formatting for the text? How to apply formatting for the text? Now see here. We can have something like this. If we want to apply text formatting, we can have something like this. HTML has provided a set of tags for this, what we call them formatting tags. So what are the various formatting tags provided by HTML? Generally, if you want to write the HTML code, first you are writing HTML and then head, title, like that. But my requirement is I want to create the file automatically, the HTML template. That structure I want to create automatically. Simple, see here. Just type HTML. Select the second option. Just type HTML, select the second option. Press enter. When you press enter, automatically the HTML template is created. And of course, forget about these things. Doc type HTML means it indicates that you are creating the web page according to HTML5 standard. Doc type HTML means we are creating the page according to HTML5 standard. That's what this word means. HTML, doc type HTML. Because the latest standard is HTML5, it was created according to that standard. Not required. And the language we are using is English. Forget about these meta tags. We'll discuss it later. Meta tags, we'll discuss it later. And the next thing here is title. Just I will change the title here. Formatting tags in HTML like this. Okay, now let's see what formattings we can apply. Suppose I want to display some text in bold style. I want to display some text in bold style. Then we can use a tag called P. So whatever the text we write in between, that text is displayed with bold effect. That text it is displayed with bold effect. Like that. You can see bold. The text was displayed with bold effect. The same bold effect, HTML uses one more tag, that is a tag called strong. The same bold effect we can provide using one more tag, that is strong. This tag also, it displays the text with bold effect. This tag also, it displays the text with bold effect. You can see bold effect. And you can observe here one thing. Actually, I have written the code in 2 lines, right? I have written the code in 2 lines, but it is printing the text in the same line. And generally in HTML, what happens is, by default, it tries to display the text side by side only. Even if you press enter, it is displayed side by side only. Suppose if I want to move the control to new line, if I want to place the control to new line, we can use the tag called BR. BR, it stands for line break tag. We can use a tag called BR, which places the cursor automatically to the new line, like this. But yesterday we said BR, it is a unpaired or it is an empty tag. It is an unpaired or empty tag. And it doesn't have any closing symbol. So you can write just BR normally, or according to HTML5 standard, you can write like this. According to HTML5 standard, you can write like this. Self-closing. Both will work. Next, I want to display some text with the italic effect. I can use a tag called I. I can use a tag called I. Whatever the text we write in between the I tag, that text will be displayed with the italics effect. That text, it is displayed with italics effect like that. That is a tag called I. The same italic effect we can provide using one more tag, that is EM. EM, it stands for emphasize. Emphasize and we are highlighting it. Same style you will get. And you can have a question, sir, why should we use, why they have given multiple tags? Same effect, multiple tags, why they have given means, of course, the tags may be different, the effect will be same, but the meaning will change. Strong means I am telling that this is very important text to me. Strong means I am telling that this is very important text to me. Similarly, emphasize means I want to highlight or I want to focus this text. I want to focus more on this text. And we are providing some extra information to the browser. That's all. Output point of view, they are same. Output point of view, they are same. But the meaning will change internally. That's what. Suppose I want to display some text with the underline effect. You can use the tag called U. Whatever the text we write in between, it is displayed with underline effect. The text it is displayed with underline effect. The same underline effect we can write using one more tag called INS, inserted. I already told you, the meaning will change, but the output will be same. The way how it will print the data, the output will be same. Now, there is a tag called S provided. S, this tag it is used to create a strike through text. It is used to create a strike through text. Strike through means what? That's it. I want to strike off a text. So that is strike through. And whenever you are writing some notes, if something is wrong, you will strike out it. That is strike through text. Plenty of tags they have given. Similarly, see here, there is a big. There is a tag called be provided. This big tag, it will display the text a little bit bigger than the normal style. A little bit bigger than the normal style. That is the big tag. Big is one tag provided. Similarly, we can have one more tag given here, that is small. So the text is smaller than the normal font size. Text is smaller than the normal font size, small tag. Then we have a tag called marker, which is used to highlight a text. Generally, when you are reading textbook or notes, some points, if they are important, you will highlight them with some color. If any text is important, you will highlight with some color. That's it. And it will highlight the text here like this. It will highlight the text here like this, highlighted text. Particularly if we want to highlight it there, then we can write like. So then we have like these a quote. coded text. Programming related contents. Programming related contents, anything you are writing. Means what? Programming related. Suppose I am using some function name or some programming language name. Something like. If you want to present any data, if you want to present any data, then you can write in code tag. You can see code tag means it is providing like this. And what it is doing there, a different font it is using. Operating system font. Every operating system, it will have its own font. That font it will use. That font it will use. Code. Similarly, suppose I want to use some keyboard shortcuts. So the shortcut for copy in Windows. What is the shortcut for copy? Copy paste we will write, right? What is the shortcut for copy? I think everyone will know two shortcuts. Copy paste. Hmm? Why you are keeping silent, ma? Control C. Okay, Control C. Copy. And even here, if I want to highlight this keyboard shortcuts, they have provided a tag called KBD. KBD, whatever the text we write, it is displayed with a different style. So keyboard style font. Keyboard style font it will use. KBD tag. So like this, plenty of tags they have given. Even you can see, like suppose I want to write some formula. What is that formula means? Like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Some formula. So that when I run, actually it is printing normally only. Square means actually it should be displayed as power, superscript, right? But it is just displaying normally only. Suppose I want to display the text as a power. Simple. You can place the text in between the tags called SUP. SUP stands for superscript. Whatever the text we place in between the SUP tags, now you can see the superscript style. The text will be displayed with the superscript effect. That is SUP, superscript. And instead of SUP, if I say like SUB, see, it's printed like this. Subscript. Subscript means it will show like it's like chemical formulas. H2O, NH3. So such type of things, subscript values we call them. And a text formatting, if you want to apply any formatting for some text, then we can write it here like this. Different ways how we can present the text, we can write here like this. Formatting tags, we call them in HTML. So actually plenty of tags are available. Plenty of tags are available. So depending on our requirement, we'll be using corresponding tags there. So clear up to here, all of you? Any questions? Yeah, they will share the recordings. The team will share you. You just to go through them and even how to install software, Visual Studio Code, everything I have given. Just to go through that accordingly, you practice. If you have any questions before starting the class, you can clarify them. Before starting the class, you can clarify the doubts there. Okay, na? Every day before starting the class, first you clarify the doubts and then you can continue. Right.